really doing this?
Come on, Noah, just get in the cave.
It's just...
It's for Mom.
I know, it's just... Fine. How long did you say this part was again?
900 feet.
Oh, fuck.
I'm coming in. I'm in. Oh, jeez. See, my mom was so happy to make it to the end.
Yeah.
You know, they call this part the marathon. You okay up there?
Yeah.
Just remember, push forward and breathe in, relax and breathe out.
I know. Isn't there supposed to be, like, something cool at the end?
It's called a tunnel. It's this formation of spikes that light up blue in the dark.
Isn't it crazy that Mom went through all this just to see that?
She never told you about it?
Never really asked the details.
Dad have told you at least once.
I guess I don't remember. You know, I was playing tennis with Jasper yesterday, right?
No. Is he any better than the last time you played him?
Sort of. You finally serve.
That's good.
I like him, though. He's good for you.
Yeah, I like him too.
No shit.
Can you go a bit faster?
It's my first time, Sophia. Calm down.
Yeah, well, you came the last second. The least you can do is go a bit faster.
Stop trying to fight. I'm trying to stay calm.
And I want to see the tunnel.
We'll see it, okay? It's just gonna take a little longer than you thought it would. Stop it. Sophia, cut it out.
Did Jasper tell you about that hike we went on?
What? No, why?
A couple nights ago, we were driving. We saw this mountain in the distance. It was a few nights after Mom's funeral. And we just spontaneously climbed it.
Yeah?
When we got to the top, there was this mailbox. Like nothing else, no houses, like just a mailbox. And when we opened it, guess what was inside?
What?
It was a bird, like on the brink of death. It was stuck. And we set it free.
Why are you telling me this?
It was Mom. I don't know. Opening the box felt like letting her soul go.
It's a bit far-fetched.
I don't know, it's what I felt.
You remember to bring Mom's ashes, right?
Yeah, they're right in front of me.
Okay, just double checking. When we're done here, do we have to go back this way or is there an exit?
There's an exit, just hard exit. It's fine, we'll be fine.
Harder or easier than this?
About the same. It's fine. It'll be fun.
That's so fun.
Can you go faster?
Come on! What was that?
I don't know. It's not raining.
Can we turn around?
No, it's not big enough.
Is there some sort of special cave maneuver or something?
No, can you just breathe and go forward?
Holy shit, what is that?
Hopefully nothing. Go faster.
I'm trying.
Why'd you stop?
I'm getting anxious. My breathing's getting out of control. Just let me calm down.
Let's go, Noah, please.
Okay, I'm going.
Fuck. What? Go faster! Ow!
Oh, what's happening?
I think my leg.
Can you scooch out or? Try, just try. Can you move at all? grab onto my leg. I'll pull you out. Sophia. Sophia, please. Good. Good. I'll move fast.
Wait a second, please. Please.
Sophia, please. We have to keep going. The longer we stay here, the closer you are to bleeding out. Please. Sophia. Grab onto my leg, please. Sophia. Please grab onto my leg, please. I need you to live, please. Good. I'll get us out of here, please.
Ow!
Sophia, I see an opening. An opening.
An opening.
Let go. I'll pull you out. Let go of my feet. I'll pull you through. One, two.
Give the urine.
Yeah, it's right here. Hey, stay with me, okay? These are painkillers, okay? Write down on this. It's gonna hurt. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know. I gotta focus on getting you better first, one thing at a time.
I think I took us the wrong way. This is not the tunnel.
What? How do you read this thing?
We were so good.
What?
We went 5 feet deeper.
What?
It's not even on the map. Can you just go through the hole? Take us out?
Are you crazy? It's impossible to dig through that.
Please, no. Our only choice.
Sophia, I found a hole. Sophia, I found an exit. Well, I'll bring you over there, and then you'll grab onto my foot like before, and then I'll go inside.
No.
And... What?
No.
What do you mean?
I need to go to the tunnel.
Go to the tunnel, Sophia? What are you talking about? We don't even know if that way's open anymore.
Please, can you try? Can you just dig? Can you try?
We're going to the exit that I found, Sophia. Okay?
You don't even know if it's an exit, Noah. Please. Just try it. Just dig.
I don't even care about spreading Mom's ashes anymore. Come on, Sophia, please.
Just get off me, Noah.
He'll thank me when we escape, okay? Sophia, grab onto my foot. Sophia, please!
I need to go to the tunnel. You didn't have to come with me.
I did come. And I'm here, and you're here. You're alive. Sophia, please. Please just come with me. Please just come with me.
I want to be where Mom wanted us to be.
Can you stop this bad thing? Why is this happening? Why are you so insistent, Sophia? Please.
Mom told me to.
Sophia, please. Sophia, please. Hi, Mom. I guess this is the cave that you wanted us to see, but not really. I'll try my hardest to make it back up, but I think this is as far as I'm gonna take you. I'm sorry. I love you. I tried to protect you both. I couldn't. I don't miss you. Forever.